Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrencies on Binance. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type in binance.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Binance, where you can log in to your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. Now once you are logged in using your credentials, you can simply buy your crypto by hovering over to the buy crypto section at the top left corner and then by selecting your desired payment method. Simply click on your payment method and then you will be taken into the buy screen. Now once you're inside the buy screen, you can select your currency by clicking on the selected currency and then selecting your currency by simply searching or clicking on it. Then select the crypto that you want to buy from the receive section by simply clicking on it and selecting from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Once that is done, you can simply type in the amount that you want to spend or how much crypto you want to receive. After typing all of these, simply click on the continue button and this will proceed you with buying your desired crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy cryptocurrencies on Binance. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.